Welcome to all in this video. Today I am going to start first chapter for me, hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis. First of all, we know that what do we mean by hematopoiesis? Hematopoiesis means formations of all type of cells such as WBC, RBC, dendritic cells, natural killer cells, etc. The hematopoietic stem cells has capacity to differentiate all types of cells, and it has also capacity to self renewing. Means that it divides into other cell types and again go back its original form. That is called self-renewing capacity. The hematopoietic stem cells are two types: myeloid progenitor and lymphoid progenitor. Myeloid progenitors we can further divide granulocyte, monocyte progenitors. These granulocytes, monocyte progenitors can divide into monocytes after that macrophage, and these granulocytes, monocytes progenitors again also can divide into or developed into neutrophil. After that, these myeloid progenitors also form eosinophils progenitors, which forms eosinophils. After that, these myeloid progenitors also can form basophil progenitors, which can form basophils. After that, this myeloid progenitor also differentiate into megakaryocytes, which can form platelets. This platelets is very important for clotting of blood. And these myeloid progenitors also can form erythroid progenitors, which forms erythrocytes. After that, hematopoietic stem cells form lymphoid progenitors. Means that these all cells are T cells, B cells, natural killer cells are lymphoid cells. Here myeloid progenitor cells directly can form dendritic cells, but in large quantity. But here also lymphoid progenitor cells can form dendritic cells, but in small quantity compared to here. But lymphoid progenitors direct differentiate into natural killer cells. That is very important role in the defense system inside the body. After that, we know lymphoid progenitor cells also developed into T cell progenitors, which mature into T cells. These T cells here are receptors for antigens. T cells. These lymphoid progenitor cells also differentiate into B cell progenitors, which developed into B cells. And lymphoid progenitors also can form dendritic cells, but in a small quantity in compared to myeloid progenitor cells forms here dendritic cells. This is the topics, the hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis is a process through which all types of blood cells are formed And hematopoietic stem cell are pluripotent. That is very important. Hematopoietic stem cells are pluripotent. Pluripotent. And first weeks during the fetal developments, the hematopoiesis occurs in yolk sac. Yolk sac. It is a after that this during fetal development. After that, this hematopoietic stem cell migrate into liver, and after that in spleens. After the parturitions or after birth, the hematopoietic stem cells occurs in, or we can say that hematopoietic stem cells migrate into bone marrow, and hematopoiesis occurs in bone marrow, and especially in pelvis and sternum. Thank you very much to all. Please watch this video. This topic is very important for students who belongs to PG or UG. Everyone, I hope that you will watch this video, and further you keep it in your mind, hematopoiesis, and read a book and understand. If you are failed to understand hematopoiesis, I will send you a link. Thank you very much.